Ok, voy a empezar. Hello, teacher, and anyone who sees this video. We are Jesus Torres, Jose Gavino, Milo Castro, Luis Roman, and me, Jesus. And today we're going to talk about some important information and tests of agriculture production in Mexico. First, we download all these database from the Statistical Yearbook of Agriculture Production from the Mexican government webpage, which you can also visit. In this project, we decided to make some tests in order to conclude some information about how the production in Mexico is going through the years. We obtained three different databases from 2016, 2017, and 2018. In these databases, we have different kinds of products in where we can find avocado, rice, broccoli, corn, strawberry, apple, cucumber, etc. From each product, we have information such as kind of technology, kind of production, kind of market, production volume, and performance, each one for the 3 years. As a first beginning, we started getting some basic information such as the mean, standard deviation, coefficient of variation, median, and variance from every numerical information we have in our database. So our main purpose of this test and this project were to know if there was any change or increase in the agriculture production in Mexico between the years. And to present this information easier, we did this poster, which my partners are going to talk about. So, who's next?
Mm. So for the first test that we did, we wanted to know if there was a dependency between the kind of market and the type of technology that was used in this database. So analyzing the different types of production like open sky, greenhouse, microtunnel, and shell mesh, we compare it with the type of that is national or exportation. And well, knowing this, our hypotheses were that the type of technology and the type of market were independent, and the alternative hypothesis was that the type of technology and the type of market were not dependent. After doing the test, we obtained a chi-square of 7.815. So we conclude that we accept the null hypothesis, and then the variables are independent from each other.
Okay, so then we did an ANOVA test. That is to see if the value of production of cucumber is higher or lower in 2016, 2017, and 2018. So we did an ANOVA test. Here we can see the data we took from our Excel. So there are 19 types of cucumber. So what we did is to copy the Excel information into Minitab, and then we compare the values of the Minitab and in Excel. So here we can see that the F critic is 3.16 and the F is 0.26. So that means that in this case, HO is valley, and the mean of the variance is similar. So we can compare data with a graph in Minitab that shows the variation in 2016, 2017, and 2018. So we conclude that there is no significant variance in our test. So as I said, HO is valid.
Well, finally, we made a C-test. A C-test is an statistical test that compares if there is any difference between the means of two different populations. In this
Jose, can you repeat?
the means of area productions from two different area production from two different years were different. We want to determine if their production area increases in (2018) with respect to 2017. And our alternate hypothesis is that the production area decreases in 2018 with respect to 2017. Well, here you can see all the data from each year, and we use Minitab to do this test. And we obtain that since the p-value is higher than alpha, we can conclude that in the production area increases in 2018 with respect to 2017.
Well, to conclude the whole experiment, we also make a Poisson test. It was for determining the percentage of showed hectares versus harvested hectares, following the Poisson distribution to determine if the loss of sowed hectares is significant according to the sowed land. We also make this one with Minitab, and what we concluded, it was that the percentage of sowed hectares versus harvested hectares doesn't follow a Poisson distribution because the loss of products is a very little in comparison of the sowed land. So we have our biggest cumulative percentage in the left and the right whiskers of the graph shown. We didn't put this in the poster because we didn't think it was that important, the difference between the sowed hectares and the harvested hectares. And then to conclude, we can see the importance of analyzing the data from relation within the variables that we want to focus on in order to find out the possible solutions of the given problem and determine the variable that is causing variation in this data. In our case, the relation between the different crops and the hectares sowed and harvested. And we also want to stand out the importance of using the technologies of software such as Minitab and Excel in order to analyze huge databases and solving this problem in a much faster way. Thank you.